So visit Vercel.com and sign up with GitHub. After signing up, you will be redirected to a dashboard like this. Click here, add new project. Then import your Flutter project. So here my project is SafeBunk. Click on import. After importing, you have to change build and output settings. Change this with these commands. The commands are mentioned in description or will be added to my website. The link will be given in description. Click on deploy and wait for 1 minute. You will see that our project is deployed, and then continue to dashboard and get your link from here, and you will be able to see the domain here. Check it and you can see your project is deployed on that link. So thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.